Origin of the Keynesian in the Classical School of Thought. The comparison of the Keynesian in the Classical School of Thought. In history of economic thought, there are different schools of thought in the history of economic thought, like the classical history of economic thought, neoclassical, new Keynesians, Keynesians, Australian economists, monetary economics, and like that. In this video, we can discuss brief what is the Keynesian and the Classical School of Thought, the comparison of those. Under the Keynesian structure of the economy, under the Keynesian, the free market economy are unstable. The free market economy must be unstable. Under the classical, the free market economy are stable. Under the Keynesian, the free market economy are stable. Under the classical, the free market economy are stable. Under the employment, the full employment and the full production is not possible under the Keynesian. Under the classical, full employment and full production is possible. When we see in this price and the wage, the price and the wage are increased here. That means it does not change it. Price and the wage does not change it. Under the classical, the price and the wage are flexible. This may be changing. It's changing through the times. Demand and supply, according to the kinds, demand creates on supply. In case of that, it is also known as demand side economy. In case of that, also known as demand side economy. According to the classical, supply creates on demand. In case of that, is also known as the supply side economy. When we see the government intervention under the Keynesian, allow government intervention, the government can be intervene into the economy. Under the classical, do not government intervention. That is also known as the laissez-faire economy. Does not allow government intervention. It is also known as the laissez-faire economy. The fiscal and the monetary policy are needed. Monetary and fiscal policy are to recur to the correct disequilibrium. To correcting the equilibrium, the fiscal and the monetary policy can be needed under the Keynesian. But under the classical, fiscal and the monetary policy does not need it. When you see in the aggregate supply curve according to the Keynes, aggregate supply curve is upward under the Keynes, and under the classical, aggregate supply curve is the vertical.